Hey guys, today I am going to be sharing some of my favorite recipes that are delicious, healthy, and picky eater approved. If new meal ideas are just the type of things that you scan YouTube, Pinterest, and Instagram for, make sure you're subscribed by clicking on the red button below because I share fresh, new recipes with you every single week. My goal by the end of this video is for you to have fresh ideas to bring to the table. So if you see a recipe that you like, you'll find the link for it right below the video. If you're having trouble finding healthy recipes that your kids will actually try, I know the struggle. I have 3 kids, and that is why I also created a free e-course to help you learn how to transform mealtimes and make them more enjoyable for the whole family, picky eaters included. Details on that also in the description box below. Making wholesome meals with better ingredients should not be stressful for us parents. In fact, one of the easiest ways to start eliminating processed foods is to make healthier versions of kid favorites like chicken tenders. Now, instead of frying them in oil, I will lightly coat them in our favorite breading. You can make these gluten-free too, and bake them in the oven until crispy and delicious. See what I mean? Who can turn these down? My family also loves takeout, so I love recreating restaurant-style recipes at home, and one in particular that shows up on repeat, chicken teriyaki. But I'm not so crazy about the heavy sauce and that sluggish feeling that I get after I buy it from a restaurant, so that's why I make it at home in a lot less time than it takes me to order it and go pick it up. I use a light homemade sauce made with simple ingredients, and it cooks super fast. All you need is cooked rice and steamed veggies to make this meal complete. We all know and love those iconic burrito bowls, but let's face it, we can make an equally. We all love those iconic burrito bowls, but let's face it, we can make an equally delicious version using ingredients that we have at home for a lot less. All you need are a few leftovers from taco night, like cooked taco beef or chicken, salsa, guacamole, sour cream, and veggies. My family usually opts for cooked rice, but sometimes I do cauliflower rice for a low-carb version that's also delicious. Speaking of cauliflower rice, that brings me to my cauliflower front. Cauliflower. It's like that guy on YouTube. Check out this comment. It's cauliflower. He was like, it's not cauliflower, it's cauliflower. Speaking of cauliflower rice, that brings me to my cauliflower. That brings me to my cauliflower shrimp fried rice. This one has got to be one of my favorite meals, and it's super fast to whip up. The cauliflower rice takes all the flavor of the sesame oil and the soy sauce, just like regular rice. We add in some scrambled eggs, jumbo shrimp, and sauteed veggies, and you have one delicious meal that's healthy and low carb. Better yet, the kids have no idea it's full of veggies. Moving on to comfort food, pasta. Who doesn't love a creamy, cheesy bowl of pasta? I think this is one of my kids' favorite meals and one that I love to make on busy weeknights with pasta, broccoli, chicken in a super quick cream sauce. Now, I realize that not everyone likes broccoli. My sons pick it out. But if that's your case, you can swap it for another veggie that works at your house, like carrots, spinach, cauliflower, diced zucchini, you name it. The chicken, the sauce, the pasta is the base for an epic kid-friendly meal. I couldn't do this video without mentioning my famous all-meat and veggie paleo chili. Yes, it's paleo, no beans, and totally kid-approved. Instead of using beans, I finely chop up the veggies, sometimes in the food processor so they're barely noticeable, and cook it down with ground beef, tomatoes, and chili seasoning. The result is a hearty, thick chili you can top with chips and cheese, sour cream, or serve it over nachos, you name it. So if you'd like to make any of these recipes ASAP, check the links below along with a sample meal plan for the week. That's 5 dinner recipes, a meal prep sheet, a done-for-you shopping list, everything that you need to make dinner possible and get the kids to eat. Even the free e-course resource for you is all below the video. And while you're down there, tell me in the comments below if you're looking for a recipe in particular or what you'd love for your kids to eat. I love creating recipe videos for you, and any ideas are always welcome. See you next week.